is moksha-centric view from moksha, how jiva is perceived, from moksha, how Ishvara is perceived, from moksha, how Jagat is perceived. So, from moksha, if you perceive jiva, you will perceive even jiva for moksha. Listen, from moksha, when I teach you about jiva, even your understanding about jiva will be far moksha. From moksha, when I reveal the truths about the Ishvara, even your understanding about Ishvara will be far moksha. From moksha, when I reveal the truths about the Jagat, the point of view of Jagat from moksha, so even your foundational understanding about Jagat will lead you to moksha. That is why I am a moksha-centric Paramadvaita Sampradaya, means Anubodhi-centric, moksha Anubodhi-centric Paramadvaita Sampradaya. Listen, Ragi Annan is saying, beloved Swamiji, please help me to understand this satsang. Listen.